Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Daniel Zikri bin Samsuddin. Is the head of the engineering department for this project. I heard that we encountered this project. Can someone entertain me about this problem?
Okay, hello. Assalamualaikum. I'm Ahmad Rizwan bin Sulaiman. As the Deputy Head of the Engineer for this project, I will go through about the problem. So we got two problems. Uh, the problem one is taken care by me and Mr. Daniel. So all members must contribute to solve the problem by using line integral to find the solution. So me and Mr. Tan had done the solution for the problem one. So how about the person in charge for the problem number two? Have you got the solution for the problem?
Hello, my name is Amir Ajwad bin Abdul Wahab as a senior engineer for the project. So I and Mr. Azizi had go through the problem and we had found the solution for the problem.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Azizi. I am senior engineer. Yes, we have find the solution for the problem and we will show the solution in the next video.
Okay, thank you.
My name is Ahmad Rizwan bin Sulaiman and I will explain about the solution for the problem 1. Okay, by using the line integral, evaluate xy dy where c is a triangle with vertices at point 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2 with positive orientation. So with the keyword triangle, we know that we should use line segments for the problem. So we got a 3 points, so we got a 3c. Okay, so I will show about so for the xy is not y naught, xy s1 y1. So this is the point for the s naught and y naught for the c. So to find the xt for the c1, we use the 1 minus t, this equation 1 minus t x naught plus t x1. Same for the yt, we use this equation. So the same step repeat for the C2 and C3. So for the C2 and C3, we got the C1 xt is equal to t, yt is equal to 0, C2 xt equal to 1, yt equal to 2t, C3 is equal to xt, C3 xt is equal 1 minus t, yt is equal to minus 2t. So for the range, we substitute the 0 to 1, t equal to 0 and t equal to 1, we should get the same value for the x0 y0 and x1 y1. Okay, then for the pattern for the graph, so we should differentiate the c1 for xt and yt, same for the c2 and c3. So we get the pattern for the graph. So xt the pattern of the graph is like this. So xt and st yt. So the xdt show that the positive to the right. For the c2, no change at x, and dydt positive to 2, so it move outward. And for the c3, the xdt is negative 1 and dydt for the negative 2, so it will 1 by x value to the left and 2 to the downward by the y value. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Daniel Zikri and I will explain to you
the rest of the solution for the question. My friend already introduced us how we can get the value of x, y, dx and dy for C1, C2 and also C3. And by that, we will substitute each of this value into our question here. And by substituting them, this is our new question will look like. The same method also applied for C2 and C3, and this is our substituting products will look. This is for C2 and this is for C3. By applying this rule where the summation of integration of C equals to integration of C1 plus integration of C2 plus integration of C3, then we will arrange our integration into this form where this is our C1 and this is our C2 and the last one here is our C3, and we will integrate them at the value of t from 0 to 1. Integration of 0 from 0 to 1, integration from 0 to 1, integration from 0 to 1. Before we start doing integration, it is much easier for us to expand all those brackets in here so that we can see more clear. And after expanding the brackets here, this is our integration will looks. And by integrating them, this is what it should looks. And by inserting the value of 1 and 0 in these two integrated question, this is what we will get, and the final answer will be 2 over 3. And this is the solution for the question. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Azizi bin Azman. I want to explain about this question. Evaluate integrate C1 plus S cube dx, where C is the right half of the circle of radius 2 with counterclockwise rotation, followed by the line segment from 0 to 2 to -3 to -4. See the sketch below for the direction. This is the direction for the question. As the equation given, integration 1 plus S cube dx, we want to find the C1, x equal to 2 cos t, and dx over dt we get -2 sin t. The range of the t for C1 is 3 pi over 2 to pi over 2. For C2, the equation is 0 to, the coordinate is 0 to -3, -4, and the range is 0 to 1. x2t equal to -t, and y2t 2 times 1 minus t minus 4t, and we get 2 minus 6t. For dx over dt we get -3, and dy over dt we get -6. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Amir Ajwad bin Abdul Wahab. I'm going to continue with the part of integration for the C1 and C2. For the C1, we substitute the x and dx value into the equation, and then we expand the equation. After we expand it, we can do the integration part. For the -2 sin t, we integrate, we got -2 cos t, and then for the 16 cos to the power of 3t, sine t, we must let u equal to cos t, and then du is equal to sine t dt. We got the 16u to the power of 3 du. After that, we integrate, we got the value of 0. For the C2, we substitute the value of x and dx, and then we expand the equation. After we expand the equation, we do the integration part. And then we substitute the limit for the integration. We got negative 3 plus 81 over 4. We got the value of 64.64 over 4. And then we must add the both value for C1 and C2. So 0 plus 64 over 4, we got 64 over 4. That's the final answer. Thank you.